guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shivani and this is my channel where I create beauty and skincare content for all of you. Do take a moment to please subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything at all. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a particular product to you guys. I've been testing this product for over 2 months now and I thought this is the right time to speak about it because by now I formed my opinion about it. I know how it works, I know how I feel about the product. So without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay, the product that I'm talking about is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc. This is what it looks like, if you are able to see too much light. Okay guys, so firstly let me explain what exactly niacinamide is. So basically niacinamide is a kick-ass, a fantastic skin active. It is a form of vitamin B3 which reduces the skin congestion, which reduces the appearance of skin blemishes and which also regulates the production of oil. It also supports the skin barrier, which is like the first line of defense. In a layman's language, it makes the outer layer of your skin so strong that it can fight all the environmental damages. So niacinamide is an active which really makes your skin strong and resilient and helps you fight all sorts of damages that can be caused to your skin. And niacinamide also helps the appearance of the pores look smaller. Basically it shrinks all the pores. It also helps to soften the wrinkles, the fine lines. It also helps the hydration of the skin, making your skin really moisturized, and if you apply it near your under eyes or on your under eyes, it also improves the dark circles. Okay, so the very important thing to understand is when to apply the niacinamide. Okay, so you can apply niacinamide either in your AM routine or your PM routine, whatever you like. It's a very stable skin active which plays out really well with all sorts of skincare ingredients but vitamin C. Okay, so what I mean is you can apply niacinamide with all sorts of other skin ingredients or the actives but not with vitamin C, which means when you are applying any product with niacinamide, you should not apply vitamin C. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because niacinamide sort of makes the vitamin C less effective on your skin, and niacinamide and vitamin C mixed together can also cause skin reddening or sort of skin inflammation or irritation. So that is the reason why you should not mix the both. So I'll tell you what I do. I apply the vitamin C in the morning and niacinamide in the night. For me, both these skin actives are very important. They both work really well on my skin. So that is how I've balanced both them out. Now let's talk about this product. This is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum and I got it for some 599 rupees from Amazon. Try and not order from Amazon because I order quite a few serums from Minimalist and either they came damaged or they were out of the box or they're like literally out of the box. So there was some other issue all the time. So try and not ordering from Amazon, but you can definitely order from the Be Minimalist website directly. This is a aloe based formula, so it is a little runny but it's thick. It's not a very thin formula. It's quite a thick formula and quite hydrating, I must say. The packaging is great. It's a very sturdy bottle and the dropper is quite sturdy. That is the reason why even after being out of the box, the bottle survived and there was no damage as such. So I must say the packaging is great. Is the 30 ml ka dabba and this is a oil free, fragrance free formula which is great. Okay, now finally let's talk about how did this product work on my skin. How is this product exactly? When I started applying it for almost a week to 10 days or maybe couple of days more, I was breaking out, which is called initial purging, which is a very natural phenomena because that is when your skin is trying to adjust to the new active that you've started applying suddenly. So don't worry, you may break out in the initial few days or a week or maybe 10 days, 15 days, depending on how long it takes for your skin to adjust to this active. It took me almost 2 weeks to see the exact result of this product on my skin. You know, after 2 weeks I saw my skin look much more cleaner, smoother, brighter. The pores started looking very small, and like I said, I am an acne prone combination skin type. So for a person like me, because this product regulates the sebum production, it turned out to be gold, because you know, I started breaking out very less because of the controlled sebum production. Definitely. Thinking about the order of application, if you are applying this in the morning, then the cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, then sunscreen. If you are applying it in the night, then cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, then the skin oil or the sleeping mask. Whatever you apply, you may or may not follow all the steps, but in the morning definitely the serum, moisturizer and the sunscreen is very important. Definitely cleansing your skin is very important, and in the night cleansing, serum, moisturizer is definitely very important. This product is a great product for anybody who is battling acne, who has acne prone skin, who has an oily skin. So definitely give it a try. It is so worthy because it is not very expensive also. I know there is a great debate going on about how it is ripping off The Ordinary, and you know, how it is just trying to copy everything from them, from ingredients to name to everything. I know that debate, I know that controversy, but guys, can I tell you something? I've never used Ordinary in my life. I think it is very expensive. So for somebody like me, if I'm getting this great product for 599 rupees, why will I not go for it? You know, it's a homegrown brand and the brand is trying to do something. I know the ripping off part and everything, I know, I understand, but I really want to give the credit where it's due. It's a great product. You know, I'm just saying the brand is trying, and I mean, I don't care about the packaging and all, as long as this product is working for me, it is in the budget for me. I think I'm going to buy it for sure. So because not everyone can afford 2000 3000 rupees for a serum, right? And 599 rupees for this serum, which is so good. Why not, guys? Why not? Finally, I'm going to repurchase this serum. I'm going to recommend it to anybody who asks me about it. You know, don't care about the packaging and the ripping off, just go for it. You know, this is 599 rupees and it really works on your skin. It's worth it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful. I really hope this video helps you make the correct choice, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Lots of love to each one of you.